All right, welcome to the week 2 exit ticket reteach. I'm going to just go over some directions with you before we begin so that you're very clear on what the expectations are for you during this video and after this video with your exit ticket. So the first thing you're going to is watch this video of me doing a question very similar to question 3 on your week 2 exit ticket. Have a pencil and paper out to take notes and write with me. So you are getting this message in this video link because you missed question 3 on the exit ticket, and you should try it again to make sure you understand it. Number 2, go back into your week 2 exit ticket after you've watched this video and attempt the problems again. Pay close attention to number 3 because that's what the problem that I'm going to do next is all about. Number 3, if you need another attempt, please just message me in Schoology so that I can give you another attempt. All right, let's hop into this question that is very similar to number 3 on your exit ticket. So, it says, what is the probability of flipping a coin twice? Okay, so we're flipping a coin 2 times, and it landing on tails both times. Okay, so we're looking for a tails and then a tails, and rolling a 3, a 4, or a 5 on a die. Okay, so we're doing actually 3 things here. We're flipping a coin twice, so that's 2 things, and then rolling a die. So first I'm going to find what's the probability of flipping a coin 2 times. Okay, so we have our first flip over here. I'm going to do a little diagram. And our second flip up here. So we're flipping a coin 2 times. We're looking for what is the probability that we get 2 tails. So we're going to talk about what we could get on the first flip. We could get a heads or tails. And then on our second flip, we could get a heads or a tails. And this just helps me see all of the different possibilities of what could happen when I flip a coin 2 times. All right, so what could happen is I could get heads and heads. I could get a heads and a tails. Or I could start with the tails and then flip a heads. Or I could flip a tails and then flip a tails again. So we are looking for the probability of the tails both times. Well, the only one I see is tails both times is right here. So there's 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4 possibilities. Okay, so the probability is 1 out of 4 for flipping the coin twice. Okay, so when you go to number 3 on your exit ticket, pay close attention because that problem also has you flipping the coin 2 times, okay, to start the problem. And so we're looking to do the probability of something else and something else. That tells me that I'm going to multiply those 2 probabilities, okay? So let's talk about rolling a die and getting a 3, a 4, or a 5, all right? So when I roll a die, I can get a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, or a 6. So there are 6 different outcomes. There's 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, and 1, 6. So there's only 1 of each number. That means there's 1, 3, 1, 4, and 1, 5. So there's 3 different things that we are looking for. Okay? So the probability of all of this happening is the product of these 2. So we're going to multiply those. Probability of flipping the tails twice times the probability of getting a 3, a 4, or a 5. 1 times 3 is 3. 4 times 6 is 24. Okay, so go back into your week 2 exit ticket, try it again, go to number 3, pay close attention to it, and if you get stuck, watch this video again. If you need another attempt, just message me to open it up again.